In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly build your website using library templates available in Webflow. If you're looking to get your website up and running without the hassle of designing everything from scratch, you're in the right place. Webflow offers a convenient solution through its collection of pre-designed templates, which can significantly speed up your development process while still allowing for a high level of customization. Firstly, we'll begin by accessing the Add Elements panel. You can easily open this by pressing the A key on your keyboard. This panel gives you a comprehensive view of all the elements you can incorporate into your site. But today, we're focusing on the Layouts section. Once you're in the Add Elements panel, just click on Layouts. This is where Webflow offers a free starter library to help you begin building your website quickly and efficiently. It's particularly beneficial for those who might be new to Webflow or anyone who wants to save time by utilizing pre-made designs. Within this library, you'll notice an array of templates designed to suit various needs and styles. From portfolios to business sites, the starter library provides a versatile selection at your fingertips. Simply explore these templates to find the one that best aligns with your vision for your website. Once you've settled on a template, the next step is straightforward. Just select the template of your choice and drag it onto your site. This action initiates the foundation upon which you'll build your custom touches. Now, with your chosen template in place, the real fun begins: customization. Templates in Webflow come with placeholder text and images, which are like drafts awaiting your personal touch. What you need to do is replace these placeholder elements with your own content. Click on the text fields where you can input your unique message or information relevant to your audience. For images, simply select the placeholder and upload your own authentic visuals to represent your brand or personal style. The ease of replacing content in Webflow manifests just how intuitive the platform is, making the overall experience smooth and efficient. By the time you've gone through this process of customizing text and uploading your images, you'll have a website that looks professionally designed, yet is tailored to suit your specific needs and preferences. It's as simple as that. Webflow's template library is a remarkable tool that can help you streamline your website creation process, especially if you're on a tight schedule. By leveraging these resources, you can focus on crafting the message and visuals that truly reflect your project's essence. So enjoy exploring this useful platform and bringing your ideas to life with a professionally polished final product, and all without a cumbersome workload. I hope this guide empowers you to make the most out of Webflow's capabilities as you embark on creating your exceptional online presence.